Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So till now we have covered the web part and extension. We have covered a- application customizer, face customization, customizer, command set, form customizer. So now need to work on. I think let me delete it. Okay, so now we need to work on this one. So this is basically a library component. So library component basically, if we have a custom library and we want to install in SPFx, how are we going to proceed it for that? So in Human, we have a library project where we can use it. And once the library, we have created a customization focus function, custom functions, then we can use that library function in our component. So without wasting any time, let's quickly start. So for that, I'm going to create a folder md it's 07 and hyphen and that library component cd 07 and library components. Okay, so for that we need to use human. We enter human and then let's wait for. So we have options. Let me click the option and that time I believe the current and we need to go to the library and I will select same as it is hello and it created a blank project, right? So once it is done, so I think we have a library project set up. Now in order to use this library project I need to create another component where I can use the library project, right? For that I will open an new tab. So let me create another tab. So new console. Okay, start. So it's console, it's there. So I need to go to the same path. Let me copy it and so now so we have this. So I will going to create another project as called md08 hyphen let use library component use hyphen library cd. So here I'm going to use the same. So for that I'm going to use the web part and I in the web part I will going to use. So let me use the web part. So I will use React. Okay, so let's complete this installation and I think it installing all its package here. If I will navigate to library component, let me quickly show you the what are the folders created. So right now if you see in the config file we have the serve, but right now we don't have anything, right? Because we are not going to serve anything here, right? And if the in the project file in the goes to the project file we have this build clean tests gulp bundle clean test, right? And if you go to the source you will see the library. Inside the libraries we do have this a function that simple return a name. That's it. So this is what we can do. We can do the many, I mean, we can create a function that return a specific type of information to us. Maybe it's, I mean, we create a component, all the components here and React component and use this library here and all the component we just use the this library to create all the component, and this library maybe we will use the other place as well, right? Or we can use the library for common function, like for authentication part we can use here in this component, and then the same component being used in the other. So this is how we can use it. So I think let me quickly see. So if you go here and you will see it's created. Let me open it in the Visual Studio Code. So this is a project, right? So if you want, you can create other method, but for the time being, it's already exported of one class. Say this is export the class, and there is another function is called public, right? Let me create another one, public. Custom library, something like this. Or I mean we can use a method like, okay, let me create another method is called sum, and here I will call use number one, number two, and this will also return a number, right? So just n1 plus n2, that's it. And now we have created this function sum, and now I'm going to use it, right? For that we need to move to our a library command. Okay, so here I need to npm build. So okay, so it's not npm, it's gulp. So we have this gulp build. So it's basically now it's creating the bundle, but let me quickly see. So if you see in the library function, we will use the gulp build, right? In the main, we have this index package or JSON. Let me open the package or JSON file, right? So here in package or JSON file, we do have this library index.js, right? As is mentioned here. Okay, so let me quickly use this npm link to link that particular solution. So if you are not aware of the npm link, so I will show you npm link command. So basically npm link, this is how we're going to use npm link. That's it. So it's creating a linkage between our local. So for local debugging, we can use this npm link. So let me quickly, sorry for the confusion here. So it's there. So I need to use npm link, right? Npm, so no, so I think gulp build, and then after that we need to use the other function, right? So it's create successfully. So npm link. So if I've used the npm link, so it's saying it's added a one package, right? So how are you going to show it? Where is the package? For that you need to use npm list hyphen npm hyphen list, sorry, npm list hyphen g. It will show you all the global dependency. If you see, so here, this is a package and there is a link. It's created a link, right? So this is the name of the package. So let me copy this one, and now I need to go here, the second tab. If you see, it's already completed, and I need to use npm link, and here I will specify this, and let me enter it. So it will wait couple of time. It will go to the and look for if a library exists in the global packages. If yes, then it will create the link. So let's see. So I think it's created. Let me open it, and I need to check here. For that, what I will do, I will go to the package.json file. If you see in the dev dependency, no, it's not there. So what I will do, I will see, go here nodes and check for, let me include somewhere else. So what I will do, I will go to the web parts inside the component, this one, and let me import it. Import star from zeros, uh, okay, I think it's not imported correctly. I need to check why. npm link. Let me open the documentation, see what says. It says you need to use npm link and the corporate library. Okay, npm link corporate library. Okay, but I used simple npm link. Okay, let me do this. npm, so npm unlink, npm unlink, and I need to specify this one. Let me see. So it's unlinked successfully. So npm link, and here I need to say library component, something like, and wait for it to complete it, right? So no version is available for, okay. I need to specify the version as well. Wait a minute. So I think let me quickly go VS Code here, and if you see, this is the name of the library, right? Copy it, and this is the version. So let me do it again. For that, I need to go here again and npm link. So I think I need to use simple npm link is whatever mentioned in the package or JSON, it automatically use it, right? So it's saying up to date, added 3 packages or up to date. Okay, so now I need to use the same. I need to go to the web project and link it, right? Link what? So let me see global list. So it's saying this is okay. Let me copy it. So now npm link and so okay, let me do something like this. I'm not sure like how much time it will take to build, but this is the way we can do it. I think we need to wait for a couple of minutes to see. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, it's there. So now I need to open Visual Studio Code and see. So here is it. And now I need to paste here and the library name is 07. Mhm. So if you go here, node module, I think you need this as the component library. Okay, here is it. So to use this one. Okay. Oh. Mm-hmm. So I think I need to use the same as I mentioned 07. So I think I'm not sure why the intelligence is not working, but we need to use the same way that it's mentioned over there. So let me quickly do the same. So paste. Well, it's not working. Okay. Why it's complaining? No idea. Now I need to use this and I need to use a function dev and here is my function and the function is my library dot hello library dot sum hello library. Mhm. So I think I need to do something like this cons oh my library dot mhm, cons const library object equal to new my library dot k obj. I need to use here obj dot sum. Okay, it's there, and I need to pass the value 10, 20. Okay, and the number 10 plus 20 equal to the sum of number 10 and 20 equal to this. I need to save it. Now I need to use the same gulp serve. For that, I need to open my tenant, this one, and I need to use open gulp serve. And now we need to wait for it to complete. Okay, now it's there. Okay, this is my customizer. Okay, okay. It's not finished yet. We need to wait for this to finish. For that, we need to wait for a couple of minutes and control F5 to reload. Okay, okay. So I think this is a web part, right? Okay, the sum of the number the sum of the number 10 and 20 equal to 30. So I think this is it. This is how we can use it in our project. Thank you everyone. I hope you like it. So I will catch you in the next section. Till then, bye and have a great day.